On December 18, 2024, two Eurofighter Typhoon fighter jets from the Royal Air Force landed at Murted Air Base near Ankara, Türkiye, marking the beginning of an evaluation process by Turkish authorities. This move follows Türkiye's interest in acquiring 40 Eurofighter Typhoon aircraft to modernize its air force, filling the gap while awaiting the operational readiness of the indigenous TAI KAAN, a fifth-generation fighter jet. The Eurofighter deal was discussed during the NATO summit in Washington in July 2024, where Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan met with leaders of the Eurofighter Consortium Germany, the United Kingdom, Italy, and Spain. Türkiye is reportedly ready to allocate between €8 to €10 billion for this acquisition, which might lead to a reduction in its previous order for 40 F-16 Versus and 80 modernization kits, originally valued at €23 billion. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a multi-role combat aircraft, developed by Airbus, BAE Systems, and Leonardo. With a top speed of Mach 2.35 at high altitudes and Mach 1.25 at sea level, it is powered by two Eurojet EJ200 engines. The Typhoon can reach speeds of Mach 1.5 in supercruise and has a range of 2,900 kilometers. Its advanced avionics include the Captori AESA radar, capable of tracking up to 20 targets simultaneously. It is armed with a 27mm Mauser cannon and 13 hardpoints, capable of carrying over 9,000 kilograms of various weapons, from air-to-air missiles to air-to-ground munitions like Storm Shadow cruise missiles. Upgrades like the ECRS Mk2 radar will further enhance the Typhoon's electronic warfare and targeting capabilities, making it a formidable asset for Turkiye's Air Force. This acquisition is also a response to Greece's recent purchase of Rafale jets from France and its plans to acquire F-35 fighters. Türkiye, excluded from the F-35 program due to its purchase of the Russian S-400 air defense system, is now looking for alternatives like the Eurofighter to reduce its dependence on U.S. military technology. Meanwhile, Türkiye is also boosting its domestic defense capabilities. The ZGR program is focused on upgrading the F-16 fleet with local kits, while the TAI KAAN, which flew for the first time in February 2024, is set to replace the F-16s by the 2030s. With initial operational capabilities expected by 2028, the KAAN will be a cornerstone of Türkiye's air power in the future. By pursuing both foreign acquisitions and domestic innovations, Türkiye is positioning itself to ensure its air superiority and operational readiness in the face of regional and international challenges. This move also demonstrates Türkiye's efforts to diversify its defense partnerships, reducing reliance on American platforms while strengthening its presence in the Eastern Mediterranean region. The Eurofighter deal could be a key part of Türkiye's strategy to modernize its air force and maintain its defense capabilities, securing a more independent and robust military for the future.